She was just a woman with low vision looking for some holiday cheer.
Nothing. No one ever puts alt text on their images.
He was a social media coordinator with no work-life balance.
What's alt text?
A simple twist of fate.
There's alt text on this image. It's a puppy sitting in an open gift box under a Christmas tree.
Brings a Christmas miracle neither of them ever expected.
This lady just sent me a message.
You got to bring her to the office holiday party.
Based on the guidelines produced by W3C's Web Accessibility Initiative. Starring a guy from one of those shows about cops, lawyers, or EMTs. A girl that starred in a mid-2000s Disney Channel or Nickelodeon show. A black guy who is relegated to the best friend role here, but has a starring role when it's a movie with an all-black cast. It's an accessible Christmas.